The level of automation in China's industrial sector needs to be seen to be believed. I visited a factory 2 months ago, looking hard at having Chinese factories build houses here that will ship over and have our crews erect on site. I spent the day there with their teams and took a tour of their plant, and I'm pretty sure now these guys can do whatever we want, that if we just give them exactly what we need from your side, they can set their machines up and press a button, and 6 hours later a house comes out of the other end of it. On the supply chain, everything they need is right there, locally, within 50 miles of their main plant. That sounds a lot like the just-in-time manufacturing process and how Toyota built that and blew up Detroit. But here, it's with a far higher degree of manufacturing efficiency because of the AI systems they use to speed up all the planning and design and in the manufacturing itself. The whole process is amazing, but it's also a little unsettling to watch. Just a handful of engineers, fewer than 10, take our specifications, they huddle around their tables for a few days to get the conversions exactly right. Then they turn on their giant machines and build houses for direct equipment today. Tomorrow they'll build RVs for Australia, and the day after that they'll build luxury hotels for Japan. I tell you, I have a lot of days like that where I'm shocked at what I see. I've been here 13 years and I still can't get over it sometimes. We still don't know what to make of it. And that's what this report here is trying to make sense of too. This whole analysis is awesome. This is not a statement that the United States is losing. It's to demonstrate an absurd difference in manufacturing proficiency. We're long past the days of China competing on the basis of low-cost labor. It's now total domination of the supply chains, of engineering, and an industrial sector that builds machines that build other products entirely on their own. Insiders with a strong understanding of what's going on in China's industrial sector estimate that China is probably already the world leader in smart manufacturing, but certainly will be in 5 years. Smart manufacturing in China is growing at a compound rate of over 18% per year. The report goes deeply into what this means for the United States and for the other manufacturing centers across the world. China's artificial intelligence models cost just a fraction of what our AI vendors charge. But the elephant in the room is supply chains. Again, cheap AI would be great. It would be great if electricity prices were the same back home as here. It would be terrific if zoning regulators could get out of the way and let us build things at home again. Smart factories need raw materials to feed into the machines, and China has the raw materials.